Gold against US dollar. This week has risen in value. After the price formed a bullish breakout in the previous week, the price has returned back down to this area of support and then continued to rise in value. It was expected scenario after the price has made a bullish breakout that the price will continue to rise to the next area of resistance. And if you have watched every day when I make the analysis, I have mentioned all of these candles that the price could reach this area of resistance. The price has done even more than that, making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance and reaching 3435.49. And currently we can see that price has made a bullish breakout above that area of resistance, which is a bullish breakout suggesting further rise in value. On the weekly time frame, we can see the price has made a bullish breakout. A pretty important one on the weekly time frame, 3435.49 is the next resistance level, where we can see the price is heading and reaching higher price levels. Monthly time frame has closed as also a bullish candle, and it has closed as a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, where the price in the previous several months could not make a bullish breakout. Everything suggests that the gold could rise even further against US dollar. On all time frames we can see the same scenario, bullish breakouts, so I am open to see the price even reaching higher price levels. Before that, well, let's see how the Monday open. Will the Monday continue to rise in value, or Monday will close as a bearish candle, going further to this area of support and then closing at the support? If that happens, this will be just confirmation of this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then the price will try to continue to rise in value. But if the price on a Monday returns back down below this area of support, right here, close the day here, this will suggest a decline in value because of the failing bullish breakout, which means a bearish breakout suggesting further decline in value. So it's important to see how the Monday opens. Will it open with a gap, and will the price close on a Monday below or above this area of support? This will be indication of the further, but in the long term, on the monthly, on the weekly, everything suggests further rise in value for the gold, so I'm expecting that the price will rise in value against US dollar. If you would like to receive the updates during the week when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description so you can receive these updates like I have shared yesterday, several bullish breakouts with the traders. Bullish breakout here, then we had a bullish breakout here, then we had a bullish breakout here, here, and all of these you can also receive in the premium analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.